It's north.
What starts as routine radio chatter quickly turns into something far more serious. Officers begin tracking a suspicious vehicle moving through busy commercial streets. Within minutes, dispatch confirms something critical. The tag on this Chevy Malibu comes back stolen. Now, the stakes change. The suspect keeps moving, weaving through parking lots and major roads, forcing officers to make split-second decisions. At any moment, this situation could erupt into a full pursuit. And the big question is, will the driver stop, or is this about to escalate into a dangerous chase?
It's going to Camp Creek. North Carolina is the road right here off of Washington Road. Yes. No, it's going to Red Wine. Yeah, it's going to Red Wine.
Mobility bus.
Clear.
Fly the radio in there, 3395.
3395.
I'm saying great, no case of 5 rescue to continue.
Receive 64, go ahead. Let's see. Go ahead.
We're at 8 to 10. They hold this call is 1 hour, 5 minutes. 505.
Okay.
1004, show. With the 1050 listed 85,75.
As the Malibu cuts through retail parking lots near Target and Lowe's, officers attempt to maintain visual contact without pushing too aggressively. Tight spaces like these are unpredictable. One wrong move could endanger shoppers or other drivers. At this moment, would you close the distance, or back off and wait for the suspect to make a mistake?
713 Lane Hold 103. I got a stolen tag on the Malibu BJ's Club 1080. It's great Chevy Malibu. Go ahead, contact East One if you can. Tag is going to be Victor 90 Sam John Tom out of New Jersey. V90. We're over here by Target and the Marketplace. Stand by. You almost lost it. Shelby Lane coming up to Lowe's off of Commerce.
Chevy Lane and Commerce.
Alright, we're going to be in the Lowe's parking lot.
In the Lowe's parking lot. Okay, the parking lot. We're touching the Lowe's parking lot for time, guys. Alright, 114 secondary. Eastbound on Camp Creek. coming up 285. What's the 17 to the 14? Hold on.
I can't get it.
Eastbound, Panther, coming up 285. Southbound. 25 southbound. Chevrolet team, I'm on traffic, so you can get that up there right here. 14, I'm coming up. We're southbound on 35.
Here, it happens. The suspect blows 2 tires while trying to escape onto Washington Road. With the vehicle crippled, officers move in quickly to end the pursuit before the driver can recover or bail. In high-risk chases like this, mechanical failure often becomes the deciding factor that brings everything to a sudden stop.
Still southbound 35 low. Still southbound 45.
Getting off on Washington Road.
Taking Washington Road.
Woo! Oh, okay. 1050. He just blew 2 tires. Stand by.
Got my Washington Road. Flat tires, big flat tires. Look at this. And look at the block. Step on clear, push on.
Yeah, I got him. Let him go. Okay. Get on the damn ground. Get on the ground. Okay, I'm on the ground. Get on the ground. Roll over. I can't, my head. I can't. Oh, quit doing dumb. Yeah. You're gonna get it again. I got another car. Put your fucking hands down. Behind your back. Okay. Put your hands down. We're getting one in custody. Bro, where did you think you was gonna go? Drop it. Put your hand behind your back.
Alright, copy. The virtual signal is outstanding for this Michigan.
What's going on, man?
How you doing, sir?
Good. Talk to me. Why are we running from the police?
That's what I'm saying. I didn't do nothing.
Okay.
And then, I'm gonna be honest, I was scared.
You were scared? You ought to be. You see how you was driving? Yeah. Nope. Yep.
I got to sit up right now.
Yep.
Go get your money, man. I'll put it back in your pocket. Hold on. Now keep going. That shit was right there.
Yep.
Please get some water. Yeah.
Yep. You'll be fine.
Please let me get some water. Please, y'all.
Yeah, I do.
Some water.
Do you have anybody that can monitor the track one?
Have a seat.
Where you going, bro?
No, I'm not going
Over there, come right here, have a seat, bro. Back in.
Please get some water, guys. Please. Y'all say when I stand up, I stand up.
He said you getting water. He said we're going to
You said 1 minute, didn't it?
No, he said
What began with a stolen tag quickly escalated into a dangerous attempt to flee through busy streets and parking lots. Thanks to quick communication and controlled pursuit tactics, officers safely brought the situation to an end without serious injuries. What do you think? Should the suspect have stopped earlier? Drop your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more real pursuit breakdowns and tactical analysis.
I'm cool.
Slide in, man. 625, you can 16.
We're going to be 4.
Springfield Hellcat 9mm.
Alright.
Boy Adam 1961.
They started medical. Come check you out. You coming? Yeah. Alright, cool. We can't give you no water until they check you out. That's how it goes.
Why not?
Huh? We're not allowed to give people water until they get checked out. Who that look at?
I'm not looking for it.
Can you all zip this for me? Just a little bit so I get the air. That's it. That's it. You wasn't going nowhere.
Let's go get it.
That would have hurt.
You already do this.
Please can I get some water, guys? At least pour it on my head, at least. Are you hot? Yeah. No, I'm hot. Now your adrenaline rushing. Yeah, man. You didn't run that far.
1-1. Boy, 5.
Blood everywhere. Please let me get a band-aid. Oh, see, it's open. It's wide open.
There's 2 phones. Where are you at? Boy 5. Hey! 478. What's up? His ass going to jail, baby. Ran from the police. That's what happened.
That's all.
I don't know.